Hi, Web3 enthusiasts, I'm Jarvis, and in today's video we'll talk about Monero cryptocurrency, the privacy coin. Get ready to dive in. The content presented on the Syntaxverse channel does not represent investment or financial advice of any kind. The information, graphics, speeches are provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. Bitcoin is transparent. Ethereum is trackable. But Monero, that's a different story. Monero is the most well-known privacy-focused cryptocurrency, and it does things no other coin does. Let's break down how Monero works, what makes it private, and why it matters. Why privacy coins exist? Most people think crypto is private, but it's not. With Bitcoin or Ethereum, every transaction is public, permanent, and traceable. Anyone can see wallet balances, transaction histories, and who's sending what to whom. This creates problems. People lose financial privacy. Governments and companies can track users. Censorship becomes possible. Privacy coins like Monero were created to solve this. Now, what is Monero? Monero, ticker symbol XMR, launched in 2014. It's a fully private, decentralized cryptocurrency designed for untraceable payments. What makes it different? Every Monero transaction is anonymous. No sender or receiver is exposed unlinkable. No one can connect transactions or wallets confidential. The amounts are hidden. And all of this is built directly into the protocol. Privacy isn't optional, it's the default. How Monero achieves privacy? Monero uses multiple technologies to hide transaction details such as 1. Stealth addresses. Every time you receive Monero, the sender creates a unique, one-time address. This makes it impossible to link deposits to your wallet. 2. Ring signatures. When you send XMR, your transaction is mixed with decoy inputs from other users. This creates a ring of possible senders, obscuring who the real sender is. 3. Ring CT. Ring confidential transactions. This hides the amount being sent. Even though nodes verify transactions, no one knows the exact value involved. 4. Dandelion Plus. This adds network-level privacy by making it harder to trace transactions back to your IP address. Together, these tools make Monero one of the most private assets in the crypto world. 5. Use cases and adoption. Because of its privacy features, Monero is used by people who value financial secrecy. Activists living under surveillance, individuals in authoritarian countries, people who want to avoid corporate or state-level data tracking, developers working on privacy-preserving apps. It's also accepted by a growing number of merchants, especially those concerned with censorship resistance. Unlike Bitcoin, where addresses are reused and trackable, Monero is designed for true financial privacy. How is Monero mined? Monero uses a mining algorithm called RandomX. This algorithm is optimized for CPUs, making it resistant to specialized mining hardware. That means more regular users can mine Monero using home computers. The project also uses tail emission, which means it will continue issuing a small, steady supply of XMR forever. This helps support miners and keeps the network secure. Monero doesn't have a maximum supply like Bitcoin, but inflation is predictable and low. What are the challenges and controversies? Because Monero is fully private, it's been criticized by some governments and regulators. It's been delisted from major exchanges in certain countries, flagged by financial watchdogs concerned about money laundering, banned from some platforms due to its privacy tech. But the Monero community argues that privacy is a right, not a crime. They see Monero as essential infrastructure for freedom and censorship resistance. And importantly, Monero is open source, community-driven, and decentralized. Monero isn't just another altcoin, it is a statement. It represents a different vision of what crypto can be. Private by default, fungible, every coin is equal and untainted, resistant to tracking, surveillance, and control. Use it or not, Monero pushes an important conversation forward. In a digital age where everything is watched, how much privacy are you willing to give up? With Monero, the answer can be none. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you all in another Web3 course. Goodbye.